Hey guys, and thank you so much for joining in. So in this course, it's my mission to teach you how to become a productive Java programmer. So whether you're brand new and you've never programmed a computer before, or you've got some programming experience, this course is made for you. No, now I know that you're probably tempted to skip this part of this video and maybe go to the middle of this video or another section. I highly recommend you to watch it from the beginning till the end, because we need to discuss some topics about this whole programming experience that you will get. Um, and one of these topics is to give you an overview of the software we are using. So we use to edit our programs, we use some software that's been called JDK. It's much like someone who uses Word to write a paper. Well, therefore, we need to use IntelliJ IDEA. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how it looks and how you can download it on your laptop. So this IntelliJ IDEA is made from the company called JetBrains. So I need you to go to your Google Chrome or Safari if you're a Mac user, and just type in IntelliJ IDEA. So if you click the second link on your Google search, it says IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE for professional developers by JetBrains. So if you click on that, and you hit the download button, so now you'll see two versions of this software. The ultimate one, which has a free trial, and after this free trial you will pay some fee for using this software. And the other one is the free open source version, and I highly recommend you to download this one. If you are familiar with editing software and you think, hey, let me just try this IntelliJ IDE, maybe it's something that it's made for me and it will make my life more easier than it already is, I highly recommend you to download this one. So it has a free trial. You can cancel your subscription whenever you want. But if you're just a beginner, just go over here and click the download button in here. So now you don't have to fill in your email or something to subscribe to their newsletter. If you want, and you need to get and you'll be happy to get some newsletter from this great company. I highly recommend you to just put your email in there and subscribe to the newsletter. And if you don't think, no, I'm already spammed enough for my entire life, just spare me from that, don't do that. So if we look into this corner in here, we see that the program is already downloading, but I will cancel this one because I already have it in here. So now, so this is actually the application you need to start programming along with this course. So once you've downloaded, and when you run the software, it will appear somewhere on your computer if you're a Mac user. Also, if you're Windows or Linux user, obviously. But when it's appears in here, just click on it and let us wait to open it. So your screen will not look exactly like this one because you need to configure some settings before you can start. But once you've configured all the settings, and it's very easy to do, just hit a few times the next button, I believe you need also to choose a theme, whether it's dark or the white version. I prefer the white version because it's more, I don't know, I found it more beautiful to use this white version. And at the end, you will get a screen like this one. So from now on, every time we create a new project, you need to click on this link in here. And don't worry about this at all. I will explain anything on this screen later on. So if you just hit next, and you need to create a project from template now in the beginning, and hit another time next. We need to give our project a name. Just a side note for you guys, every time you start a new project, you need to give it a new name. So for this one, we are just calling it Hello World, just for the sake of this example. And if you click finish, your screen will look something like this one. So continuing on, what we are going to do is use the Hello World application that we've just made. So I'm just going to click on this button to make more room in our screen. So just let me give you a little overview of this IntelliJ, how it looks. So if you click on this icon, it will hide this area. So now you've just plenty of room to write your program in. And also, I will run it just once because we need to get this area in here. So in this area, you will get everything that's rolling out from here. So once you write down a program and you're like satisfied about it, when you hit this play button, your program will appear in here. So now you have the choice to just keep it in here, but you can also move it to the right side of your screen. So if you hit this setting icon and hover your mouse over move to, you can move this part of the screen to the left top, to the left bottom, to the bottom right, to the right bottom, to the right top. So if we click to the right top, it will appear in here.